Reading your comments today. Parang gusto ko yata mag-reading your comments part, Oo guys, gusto ko yun. Wait, ha? Saan pumunta si Bacon? Oh, wait, ha? Oh, wait, ha? Ay, di ko nakita. So, guys, pwede tayo mag-reading comments, please, kahit isa lang. Gusto ko sana mag-reading comments, Oo, guys. Hindi ko kayo inaas na i-ano nyo ako, Pero kung gusto nyo lang mag-comment kayo. Dahil gusto rin naman kayo mag-ano. So guys, may mga trollers yata. Okay. So please, reading your comments na. Gusto ko mag-reading your comments, Hindi ko kaya, wait lang. Wait lang, ha? Paano, ha? Wait. Ayun! Oh my gosh! So guys, pwede kayo mag-reading your comments. Dahil, may nakikita ko mga reading comments part 2, ganon. O, yung part 3, ganon. Yung part 4, ganon. Oo, ganon. Ganon siya. Yo! Ha? Tinarap niya ako, gagi! Oh my gosh. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, girl. Okay, so, ayun. Oh, wait, huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, paano nila yung nagagawa? So, yeah, Noor! OMG, Noor! So, guys, please keep reading your comments. I want to read your comments. Please, reading your comments lang. No! Can you please, guys, reading your comments? Gusto ko talaga. Okay, comment lang kayo. Paano ba yung i-read nyo yung comment sa my TikTok, guys? I-ano nyo nga sa akin. Sa my YouTube below. Huwag mong i-ano yan. Ay, mama! Ayos! No! Please, guys. Kaya nyo ba yung nag-vlog na reading your comments? Gusto ko kasi iyan, Turuan nyo nga ako, guys, kung paano yun. Gusto ko kung gusto ko alamin yun, So, guys, reading your comments, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Hindi ka, no. I'm just trapped here, no. Help! Help! Oh, thank you. Hey! I want to help. If she get out of here, you ugly. Okay, di pa siya gumagana today. Oh my gosh, how did you do that? How did you get that, bro? Okay, guys, magsaslap. Okay, magsaslap siya. Okay, may slapper dun, Slapper. Oo, may slapper. I'm so hungry. Sorry. 2-piece. Okay, guys, wait lang. Okay. Kaya niya. Pinatay niya yung sarili niya. Pinatay niya yung sarili niya, bro. Pinatay niya yung sarili niya. OMG. Oh, hinawak ko lang yun, Hinawak ko lang yun. Go. Thank you. Hey, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm not doing anything, yo. Hey, yo. Ah! No! Okay, leave tayo, guys. Please reading your comments. Paano ba yun yung guys? Yung, turuan nyo nga ako kung paano, yung sa TikTok, tapos mag-read kayo ng comments. Gusto ko yun, guys, eh. Please sabihin nyo lang kung ano yun. Please. I want to try it. Wait, loading. Loading frogs. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay guys, quiet or die? Hey, yo. Oh, ito. Public server ni, Siko ba yun? Ewan ko lang kung yun. Like, what that thing means. So, guys, please reading your comments. First time ko lang kasi mag-reading your comments. Please read tayo ng comments ninyo. Please, gusto ko Wait, guys, nakita niyo yun, diba? Tinatawag ko ba yan? So, guys, reading your comments. Part 6. So, wait, yo. Hey, yo. There's a... Wait, Wait, OMG, Paano yung mangyayari? Okay. Yung mga mata natin may laser. Okay, OMG. OMG. No. I'm a good person. Kill you all. No! No! So guys, please, can I read your comments right now? I just wanted to read your comments. I'm gonna read your comments. Reading your comments, part 6. So guys, di ko alam. Oo, ganon. Hey! Oh! I'm gonna kill you. I wish you I did. Putang ina mo. So guys, sorry kung may mga bata dyan. So guys, ayoko nito yung magtitinginan kayo. Tapos, mamamatay kayo. Hey! No! I'm gonna leave right now. Okay guys, so please reading your comments, yung reading your comments, part 6, ganon. Please can I read your comments? Ito ko lang naman makikita ang comments ninyo. Can I please read your comments, part 6, ganon, or 7, or 8, or 9, Oh, sorry, there's a problem. Problem. Okay, 1000 MB. So guys, try ko kaya maglaro na to. Oh my god, yung anak ko. Yeah, so dati ko siya dahil nung naggawa ko ng malaking base, nandoon sila, tapos sinabi nila, pwede, hi owner, sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, pwede po tayong mag-daughter, tapos ikaw yung mama, tatawagin ko po namin Mama Bell. So, sinabi ko, sure, why not? Tapos sinabi ko, pangalan ko lang kayo ng daughters, ganun. Oo. Marami kasi akong daughter. So, ayun. Okay, ito yung yung server ko. Nasaan na siya? Okay, nasaan na siya? So, guys, yung kayo. Okay, kailangan ko siya hanapin. Girl, siya naman yung dati ko, di ba? Alam niyo naman yun. Kaya, So, guys, IKEA to. Kaya malaki. Gusto ko din maghanap ng base. OMG, may base agad dito, oh. Kita ko. Please, papasukin niyo ako kahit lang. Small cap. Baka hindi. Oh, yes. Huh? Wait. Huh? Wait. Oh, yun. Ika lang. Okay, guys. Marunong ako nito dahil yung ate ko tinuruan ko. Okay, so, itong lamesa. Huwag ka dyan ko muna. Ito naman. Saan to? Music, huh? Oh, okay. I'm gonna let him cook, okay? OMG. Okay, there's a small gap here. Okay, abandonado na daw ito eh. Abandonado. Charot. So, please guys, sabihin mo sa comments. Maglaro tayo! We used to be just buddies. But now we're not. Wait, huh? Okay. Diyan. Lilipat ako ng bahay doon dahil ito lang yung nakita kong bahay available. Available to itong na bahay. Oo, available. Oo, dito daw yung tapos may ticket doon sa may taas. So wala yung dito. Oo. Okay, sige. Okay, ito. Lalagay ko siya dito. Okay, para maglaro tayo! Just buddies. Okay, yan. Ito dito ka. Okay guys, so bukas na lang tayo mag-reading comments or the next day dahil baka mamaya may laro ulit ako nito. So bukas na lang yung reading comments. Oh, yan. Wait, I'm gonna call her. Si yan ay daughter ko. Siya ang daughter ko, Liz. Siya ang daughter ko. Yan. Okay guys, so yan ang daughter ko. Ako hahapit sa Okay guys, so Wala. Magsistay lang muna tayo dito hanggang makakita tayo ng skybase. Gusto ko ng skybase kasi. Okay. Itong lamesa, nandito pa ito sa ganina pa eh. So, mag-display ko. Para ano? Wow, Libra June. Oh, wait. OMG. Okay. Okay. So, guys. So, ayun. So, guys. Gusto ko sana mag-T-squad yung, T-squad. Hi, I am T-squad and I am, may parang headless kasi ako. So, headless squad. Pwede ba yun? Headless squad. Ewan ko lang, basta ang alam ko lang headless squad, fruit squad, tapos fruit squad, tea squad, ano pa ba yung rice squad, vegetable squad. Okay, okay, ewan ko lang. So, gusto mo gumagana. We used to be just buddies. And now, okay guys, tingnan ko kung anong yan ko. So, siya yan, oh, this is good. I'm going to make a tower of... I'm going to make a tower. Oh, wow. Cool. Nice tower. Yeah, I'm going to make a tower. Wow. Nice tower. Okay. Oh, wait, huh? Wait, what? Oh, there's a tower. That's the tower I see before. Okay, I'm gonna go climb right now here because I know someone just abandoned this space, so that's why. About this, so okay, I'm gonna see that. So what is it? Oh, it's just an ugly base. Nah, it's okay if it's ugly. Okay, I like when it looks like the base was there. Alrighty, the base was there. Okay, I'm gonna make a base, like a large base. Yeah, right here. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not gonna design this because it's big. Like it's big and it's super big though. Okay. Let's go ugly. Okay. It's the full damage has zero damage. But the full damage has no damage. Okay guys, abandonado na itong bahay na to. So let's organize this. Okay guys, oh my god. Okay, bahay ko to. Kaso ang mga friends ko, okay, friends no daughters. Ang mga daughters ko ay may mga house na yata sila. Dahil ganun na tong base. Abandonado na yata tong base. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. So, okay. So, kailangan natin ito i-organize dahil mamayang gabi. Okay. Wait, kailangan na... Ah! Oo guys, ganyan talaga yung ano ko. Sorry about that. So, tara punta tayo doon. Kuha tayo ng mga gamit. Ah! More. Ayan. So, ito. Kailangan natin ito. Huwag kang magulo. Tanga ko ba? Okay, so dito yung house ko. Okay lang kung maliit. Dahil paborito ko yung maliit na spot. Okay, abandoned na daw kung bahay na ito. Okay. Yay. Like that. Tapos, gusto ko pa ba guys. Okay, gusto ko sana mag-reset kaso wag naman. Dahil, okay, I'm gonna grab this one. Wow. Okay, there's so many pizza here. Okay na. I have 12 of them. IDK. No one cares. IDK. No one cares. So, kahit ganito lang ito. So, wait. Patayin ko lahat ng ilaw dito. Para hindi dito na yun. Ito din. Itakpan natin doon. Discarte cafeteria. Ay, may cafeteria na pala rin dito. Shala, cafeteria. So, guys, goal ko lang dito makagawa ng skybase. Ay, charot. Di ako magagawa ng skybase dahil, gusto ko sana magawa ng skybase, guys. So, So, ayan yung pinagtatak... Nasaan yung ilaw? Ayun ka. Deserve! Kalang punta ko sa may madilim na base. Ayan o. We used to be just buddies. And now we're not. So guys, takot ako today. Mama! Yeah, that's my daughter, Mama. Saan ka? Mamaya. Okay. Okay, ayan. So, makikita yan ng ko. Plus H. H. To signal one of your helpful employees. There's no helpful employees here. Bro. There's no helpful employees here. So, ito may give help to eh. Pero ang kailangan ko no thanks, ikaw. Okay guys, may tuldok lang yun. Sa base po. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, ito dito. Hahanapin kita. Okay. Okay. What? Hindi siya yun. Nako yun. Okay. Moving my hips like yeah, my hands up and playing my song. Nodding my hands like yeah, moving my hips like yeah, my hands up and playing my song. Gonna run far away, nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah, my hands up and playing my song. OMG! Yan. Ayun ito guys, Nandiyan ako. Wow. Kaya get some food for Yan. Actually. For Yan lang po. Yes, for Yan. pangalan niya ayun. Okay. So, okay. Nasaan niya siya? Okay, nasaan siya? OMG, ito yung pinabahayan namin. Nasaan siya? Oh my gosh. OMG, yan. Okay. Oh, yeah! Oh my gosh! Ayun yung dati namin bahay. So, okay. Nice base. Yo. Nice base. OMG, that's so many fish. Let me go get something. Yeah, sneaky. So guys, pag tinitingnan ko yun, ano ibig sabihin? Okay, I'm gonna help them. Right now. Because mga anak ko sila. Oo guys, yung mga friends niyan yan, anak ko yun. Kahit di nila ako tinatawag ng mama, okay. Dahil ang goal ko lang naman, namin yung this. What should I do with this? What should I do? Where is it? No. Oh my god. No. Oh. Now I'm risking. Okay, ayan yung isa kong kaklase. So, yung kaklase ko ng grade 1. Tapos nung magsisiwalay na kami ng kaklase, sabi na Alfredo na siya. Cusinate. Yeah, cusinate. Yeah, I got so many foods here. I'm gonna go get some food, okay? Drop all. Drop. Okay. Organize ko lang to. Wait. Huh? Wait. Huh? Oh. Where's the bandage? Saan yung bandage? Saan yung bandage? Oh. Ha? Wait, kunin ko lang yung mga bow. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna go get this. Ah! You're not fit. Because I'm fat. Sure, yeah, wait a Okay, right now I'm just walking old man like again. Okay guys, malaki itong base na to, pero a little bit greasy. Oh wait, huh? Okay. I'm gonna get this plant. Tapos, pupunta ako dun sa base. Oo guys, ayun yung base namin. Pero kumukuha lang kami dun dahil minsan-minsan ginagawa namin yun. So, wala. Okay. So guys, sabihin niyo sa akin kung anong number yan. Ibig sabihin marami. Oh my gosh, ayoko today lumabas. Oo, today. Ay, today siya. Today. Okay, hindi siya magkakasya. So, dito ko lang. Gusto ko yung may mga plants. So, guys, hi, kasama ko, friends ko. Sorry sila. Sino po? Sali ako, te. Okay po. Okay, dyan lang mga anak ko. Okay. So guys, itutuloy ko to hanggat kaya ko. Okay, huh? Wait, huh? Ballerina cappuccino. Mini. Ballerina cappuccino. Kinabahan ako nun! Kinabahan ako nun, te. Moving my hips like this. Put my hands up and play my song. Gonna be okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Moving my hips like that. Put my hands up and play my song. Gonna be okay. Iska. Ayan yung anak ko si Yan. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful na. Nagi. Animo. Aniga. Ino. Anigo. Ano? Ipantapupasit. Ibalano. Gani panagi. Apandikis. Sado mo. Potato not coming window to, window. Oh, window nga ni. Ganda nga ni. Teka na. Okay. I am just an old. Okay, I need to eat. Hoy, hindi akong harangan. Nanay niyo ako eh. I need to eat right now. I need to eat. po hindi namin yun kilala. Mamaya. I'm gonna go create the waypoint. Create waypoint. Okay. This is the waypoint. Ah, waypoint dito. Huh? Ano yung waypoint? Magagawa ko ng waypoint. Party USA. Party in the USA. Yeah. Amy someone. My dream is someone. My dream is someone. So put my hands up and play. Party in the USA. Yeah. Dream is someone. My dream is someone. So put my hands up and play my song. I'm partying. Put my hands up and play my song. Wait. Okay po. Yan. Kaya mo po, has so much drama. Yan sa... Yan, nasa na kayo? Wala po, pupunta ako sa base. Ma, kuha ko ng notebook. Party in the USA. The point is, Sounds good to everyone. I like you. No. With yeah. Ida balik Goofy OMG, I forgot the waypoint. Party in the USA! Oh yeah! May nakita ako maraming pagkain. Nalagyan ko po na po. Nalagyan ko na po. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Okie dokie. Okay na. Okay. away because you're so naughty. Sorry, I don't shower many times. Ew, shower, bro. It's just ugly. That's why you cannot shower yourself. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. What? No, we didn't. Yes, you are. Then you came to my place. Why are you blinking like that? Nothing. Are you sure? You look suspicious anyway. Hey bro, I can explain. You cannot, you can keep it. Yeah. Go. Saturday, Saturday, go. Saturday to Sunday, Monday. Lunes hanggang Linggo. Sana mag-respond ako sa may kitchen na may medkit, tapos may mga pagkain, marami, tapos malapit lang rin sa base. Isipan ko mga alam mo. Lunes hanggang Linggo. Isipan ko Lunes hanggang Linggo. Lunes hanggang Linggo. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Mga alam ko. Mga beaches lang naman go. Saturday to Sunday, Monday. Saturday to Sunday. Bumalik sa'yo. Umalis sa isipan ko. Mga alang iwan mo. Tuloy ka, kaibigan ko. Dito sa Linggo. Saturday to Sunday, Monday. Dalaga, why? Beaches hanggang Linggo. Saturday to Sunday, Monday. Bumalik sa'yo. Di na maalis sa isipan ko. Iwan mo. Ito na. Wala kaibigan ko. Hey. What's going on here? What's going on? Where's the kids? Where's the kids?